Okay, let's look at break statement. I think it's better to show you the example than I will explain. So let's say for number in range 100. So basically we are going to use number from 0, 1, 2 all the way to 99. As you remember, range function does not include the last number 100. So it's going to print, let's say, sorry, colon. We will print a number, let's say with the end, one space. So it's going to print start from 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 99, exclude 100. Okay, so here is the 1, 0, 1, 2, all the way to 99, but 100 is not included. What if we like to print after number 10? Okay, so basically we are going to say print 0 all the way to number 9, exclude number 10. So we have one condition: if number equal to 10, this one, number 10, we will stop going through the for loop. We call it as a break. So when we reach to number 10, okay, basically stop printing. Okay, that's the idea of using break. Let's see. So here, 0, 1, 2, all the way to number 9. Again, when it's number is equal to 10, we are going to be outside. So outside means we are not printing anymore. We're going to be here. Okay, no more printing. So that's why we end with the number 9. That's the idea we're using break. That's all. Thank you.